Hello. Okay, good day everyone. Thank you for coming into this YouTube channel, Trade Live with Precise Trader. This is a Europe session, and today is 27th May. Okay, do take note of the risk disclosure. Day trading in foreign exchange is risky. Past results are not indicative of future returns. The content of this webinar is mainly educational purpose. Use the information entirely at your own risk, and you must assess the risk of your trade with your broker before you put in your trades. So with that, we move on to our live analysis. Okay, the data we have only from the US core durable goods and CB consumer confidence. Okay, as far as this trade is concerned, we have a order filled on the euro and the pound. We feel that this is going to go a bit lower. Okay, we're going to go a bit lower, and we should be looking for the euro at least another 20-30 pips move. So what we will do is we'll try to close this at market euro. Okay, we close at market, and then the pound also looks like, okay, we want to see the price moving slightly even lower. So this also we want to close at market. Okay, so we don't have we have the next buying order for pound to be at 35.30 and euro at 30. So we just need to see whether these two have to work, or should we reverse the position. So let's discuss that. Then also I think the gold has had a pretty big fall. Okay, in fact morning we were discussing, we were expecting this to break low, but we didn't expect this to happen during the Asian session. So we would see how we can trade this. So let's move on to see how we can trade this. Okay, so as of now, what we feel is based on the day, the gold is trading below the previous day low, and Aussie is trading below the previous day low. Dollar CAD and dollar yen is trading all, basically showing all dollar strength. Okay, so now let's do one at a time. Let's look into dollar yen first. Okay, we look into dollar yen. We 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 look into dollar yen. Then we are seeing right now the market is trading at 143.50. So this strength is expected to last for another 2 hours, and the daily is up, so we should see the price moving higher. Okay, so let's see dollar yen. I think we are seeing strength on the 360 and the daily, so I expect this price to push higher. So looking at this, we expect the price, remember morning I think we were expecting the price to go towards 143.80, and the I think we don't have any other selling order. Yeah, 143.80 or higher. So now since the market is starting to move up, let's see whether we are Okay, I think morning we, yeah, morning we sold dollar yen at 65 because morning, remember, we were expecting this high for the week to be either at 10 or slightly higher. So I think the price is moving higher. So let's see how this thing can be played and how this can be done. So looking at dollar yen, okay, morning we were trading somewhere here when we were trying to sell here and see the price going higher. So if you look into current day, so looks like, okay, this market has seen a temporary base and we should see the price heading towards 44.10 or higher. Then if you look on the weekly, okay, weekly also, I think morning we did a sell. We were putting a sell at 43.80. Looks like we got to raise it further higher, either 40 43.80 or 44.40, but definitely this has to be below 45.65. So we will look at our analysis and see whether this thing has to be revised. I think definitely it has to be revised. We have to see the price is of 43.80. We should revise the level higher. So where we can see is either 44.10 or 44.40. Okay, so what we have to do is yeah, about 44.40 should be ideal. So right now the market is uh, over overbought on the 15-minute, and this is still got strength to go higher. So what we will do is we will try to change this 43.80, revise it to 44.40 and 44.80, and this one will just still stick to 40 level and let it be. So this one we are revising the price to 44.40 with the stop also raising it. Yeah. Okay, now what shall we do and how can we trade this? Okay, we can go for a buy at 42.95. Okay, 42.95 or 43. Okay, this level, and we should see the strength continuing to one more high, then eventually turn down. Okay, so what we can do is we can go for a conservative entry, buying at 43.15, stop at 42. Let me see. Let me see. Okay, the stop we can put as 42.80. Okay, the buying, I think we can go for 43.10 or 43. Okay, 43.10 or 43 level. So then the TP we will try to exit on extension of this, which is 43.80. So let's go for this trade. $80 or $85 stop, then 143.80, maybe we'll put it at 70.75. So now we are going to see range trading, and we should see the price moving towards the high. So this is half lot, and this expiry we will give until this only about 10, so about 25 pips. So 25 pips, I think we can give about 45 minutes. I think we can still go for slightly lower. Just give me 1 minute. I think we still want to be in the trade. So we'll go for 43.10, 42.85, 43.75 until 4 o'clock. So this trade, okay, we are in for this trade. Okay, now next we want to go for the next one we are going to look for is dollar Swiss, and Aussie. Okay, the dollar Swiss looks, your 360 is showing up, and your 15 and 60 also showing some strength. Okay, so what we feel is we should see and test the previous day high, which is about 83. So right now this is trading at 82.20. Okay, let's see the 360 720 daily. All, there is no selling weakness, only on the weekly is weak, so expect this trend to continue towards daily levels RR2, which means we have a resistance at 82.75, about 82.80. So that means if you are buying, we need to exit before 82.75 and 82.80. So now the current low and yesterday's low is somewhere near that level. Okay, let's see. Okay, so this is expected to be in a range at 82.45 or 82.60. So this is only for another 2 hours of strength. Okay, 2 hours of strength. Then after that it should come down. So what we can do, we can go for a buy at 82.10 and exit at 82.40. Okay, it's only about 30 pips move we are looking for, and the stop we should put 81.90 or 81.85. Okay, let me give you this call. Eighty-two 40, and this is only until 4 o'clock. Okay, because after that I think the price should come down, because this is only a range trading on the hourly, and on the daily is still, this is congestion with the downside bias. Okay, so that is for dollar Swiss. Now let's look into gold. Okay, gold is down on the daily and down on the 360. Okay, this is a 2 time frame, this is showing down, so expect this weakness to continue for another 2 hours. 1 hour 40 minutes. So which means to say there is a likely chance that this level, that 3305 might break. 3305 and 3302 might break. So where is the target? Okay, we got to see what is our daily and 360 target. Okay, so the daily target I'm looking for SL5 or SL7. Okay, then monthly RC1, there is a strong support. So if this two intercepts, then this is fine. Okay, so let me see what is that level. Okay, we have a strong support at 3293. Okay, and SL7 is 3295. So that is a strong support. Okay, so if that is the case, let's look into the let's look into the chart. Okay, this one for today we are looking a target of 3296 or 3287. Okay, so this is the target for this, and since the hourly is coming down, and we are expecting this weakness for another 2 hours. 2 hours. So we can go for a sell. Three three one six, or go for a buy 32 3288 3288. Okay, 3296 and 3288. So what we can do is we'll go for a sell at 3316 and 3323 half. Okay, these are the two levels of sell. Stop at 29 half. Okay, let me see what will be the best entry point. Okay, what we will do, we'll go for a sell at 18. Okay, one is at 18 and another one at 26. Then we will put a stop. Okay, I'll give the message. We are going to do a 2-tier entry. Sell lot 0.2, 0.5. So we are going to do a cautious sell gold lot 0.2 at 3318, stop at 29, and another sell at 3326, stop at 33, and the TP is 3303 half and 3296. Then we are going to go for a cautious buy at 3280, by 0.3 at 3280, stop 3274, TP at 32, what I wanted to say, TP 80. Okay, if you buy at 80, then 3298. So this is a counter entry, because I wouldn't say counter entry, but this is just an extreme. We call it an extreme entry because that is the low we are expecting for today, 3280 or 86. 3280 or 86 should be a key buying level. Okay, so any other things I think okay, so we have two trades just now. Okay, we're trying to buy dollar Swiss at 82.10, trying to buy dollar yen at 43.10. I think both are missed because I think this price has already started moving up. Okay, okay, so I think these are the two trades. One is gold trying to sell, and another one is going for a buy. Okay, I think that's about it because I want to understand, because I can't talk because I have a very blocked nose and I'm not able to talk much. Okay, let's see these trades. Then I'll see you all again at 9 p.m. Okay, again at this. Then hopefully I try to recover from this. Then we'll see how we can do it. Okay, any questions? Okay, if you have no questions, okay, I think that's about it. I'll see you again at 9 p.m. Okay, thank you. Bye.